Today I'm in the factory which are producing this kind of hair straightening and curling. All different kinds of products which I'm going to add to my hair business. Because a lot of ladies, they keep asking me to arrange the hair dryer and hair color and hair styler, all these kind of products. So I'm very excited to add these items for them. We are selling this kind of products to the salon and hair boutiques, and even some hair train stores. So this is a very simple way to show you how we use this kind of products. I'm not a very professional, I'm just trying to learn. Check. I'm trying to make this hair deep wave. You see, 1, 2, 3. You can see 3, 2. Okay, I will just hold it like 10 seconds. Okay. Maybe you need to hold the hair a little bit longer. Okay, the hair is becoming wave now. I think after you cut this hair, the haircut will just stay for a day, a whole day. It's not a problem. As you can see, the temperature actually is 450. Actually, it's not. A lot of ladies ask me, "Hey, Hyman, can you supply me the hair color very high temperature, like 300 or 350?" Honestly speaking, this is not the real temperature. It's Celsius. This is the temperature the factory set inside the panel to make it looks very high. Actually, normally we set the real temperature will be like 210, about 220, between 210 and 220. That's the real temperature. But this kind of products we export to the US, to the Europe. The factories, they set very high temperature because the ladies, they want to look like that. So that's why the factory do that. It's the same thing like the hair business. The sellers will always tell you what you want to hear, and they give you what you want. To set this panel, the temperature is not a difficult thing, it's very easy. So please pay attention. When we sell these products, there are different prices and quality. We have instruction and introduction of the products and the specification and the material. Most importantly, the material, like the wire, is it thin or thick inside? Because you see, you can see. Nobody will cut the wire to see it is thin or thick, which will affect the lifespan of the product to use. You understand me? So every season, probably every season or every 6 months or every season, the factory will update the design of the products. We also have this one. This one here, I'm going to make the hair straight. Look, it's straight now. It's wavy. But this will make the hair a little bit wavy, It's not bone straight, a little bit wavy like this. You can see a difference. As you can see a difference, I'm going to show you another this way. See, it looks very full.
nhiều.
Đấy, đó là let's just now this face looks very cool now because of this color, this one. And but you can straight the hair and you can curl the hair like this. You can curl the hair like this. And actually the hair will not go bone straight, it will just become a little bit bulky for the hair, looks like. It's not like the hair straightener. The same thing for this one. I'm going to show you. Same thing for this one. You can see the shape of this pattern, this shape. It's not bone straight like this one. So you can see the real temperature now is 180. This one. When I curl the hair, it looks like this. This one. So this is the products we're going to supply very soon. And I already did some research before. A lot of vendors that are selling this kind of products are a very high price, but we have very competitive products and price in the market coming soon. So you guys, if you're opening the hair salons, if you are the stylist, if you have hair shops, and if you are running a supermarket business, just contact us. Every month we can produce a lot of this kind for you. And this I think I will make a better video for you guys because I need to find a model. I will find a model and make a better video for you guys now. I will see you in the next video. As you can see that we can make this higher, this weight a little bit, so we can also pack the hair inside when we are sewing this kind of hair straightener and hair curler, this styler, and we can put the bundles, lace wigs, lace closure, lace frontal inside. And this is the box, and it's very strong. And we can pack with stitcher and feathers. It's very strong. We just need to make it a little bit higher like this. So you can just okay. That's very perfect.